Setting up your ADT water and temperature sensor is quick and easy. In just a few minutes, we'll walk you through connecting and installing your sensor, adding an extra layer of protection to your ADT Blu security system. Let's get started. Unpack your ADT water and temperature sensor and make sure you have everything you need from the box. For this setup, you may need a screwdriver or drill if you plan to mount the sensor on the wall. Getting set up is easy, but before you begin, make sure your ADT base is connected. Your Bluetooth-enabled phone or tablet has the ADT Plus app ready, and you have secure Wi-Fi access. Pause the video here and gather what you need. When you're ready, press play and we'll pick up where we left off. To begin the setup, open the ADT Plus app and log in. Make sure your system is disarmed. In the app, open Devices from the menu at the top, or from the bottom navigation, depending on your app version. Then tap the plus icon, ADT Device, Sensors and Detectors, and Water and Temperature Sensor. This sensor performs two key functions. It detects water and monitors room temperature, including spikes that may signal air conditioning issues and drops that may lead to frozen pipes. You can install it on a wall with the external extension probe, or place it directly on a floor or other flat surface. Before you continue, decide where you want to use it so you can choose the setup that fits your space. Once you've decided, name your sensor in the ADT Plus app. Pro tip: name it after the location where you plan to use it. First, remove the mounting bracket from the sensor. Use the side markings as a guide, then twist the front cover to unlock it and lift it off. Then, hold the battery in place and pull out the plastic battery tab to power on the sensor. For faster connection, make sure your sensor is in the same room as the ADT base. Once the LED light starts blinking blue, tap Connect in the app. The light will continue flashing while it's pairing to your ADT base. You'll get confirmation in the ADT Plus app when the sensor is connected. Now let's install your sensor. We'll cover both placement options, starting with the tool-free floor setup. First, reattach the cover by matching the vertical lines on both parts, then twist until the lock symbol on the cover lines up with the mark on the sensor. Since the gold probes on the bottom are what detect water, place the sensor on a flat surface, such as the floor or inside a sink cabinet, with the probes facing down in the area you want to monitor for water. If you're mounting the sensor on a wall in an area where water may accumulate, begin by setting up the external extension probe. Remove the plug covering the port on the side of the sensor. Then store it in the slot near the battery. Put the cover back on. Then plug the extension probe into the side port. To secure the probe, keep the prongs level, positioned so they're just above but not touching the surface to be monitored. Use the included tape to attach the probe to a clean wall and press it firmly in place for 30 seconds. Or, if you prefer, secure it in place with the provided screw kit. Next, mark the location and height where you want to install the mounting bracket. Make sure the ADT logo and arrow are pointing up. Drill pilot holes if necessary. Then use a screwdriver and the provided screws to secure the bracket to the wall. Finally, slide the sensor into the bracket and guide the probe cord through the cutout at the bottom. Once installed, verify the sensor can detect water by touching the prongs or probes with a damp napkin. You should hear an alarm sound from the base. To get notified about temperature changes, create a rule in the ADT Plus app. This video walks you through it. Congratulations, you're all set. Your ADT water and temperature sensor is ready. You can start using your sensor right away or continue adding ADT Blu security devices in the ADT Plus app. Need help? Visit the ADT Support Center at help.adt.com/blue for more information about your ADT Blu devices and system, or to chat with us.